Guess what? I'm going to pay someone to do my hair today. This is only thing I need.
Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in.
Morning cuties, welcome back to my channel. I know I'm late to the game for vlogmas, but I want to, be part of the vlogmas community. Although it's just going to be 2 or 3 videos I'm going to post, that's fine. If it's just one, that's fine, but this is a vlogmas. Anyways, I'm going to go to a hairdresser for the first time in 12 years. I haven't paid anyone, and this is the hairstyle I want to do. I'm so scared because I don't know what it's going to turn out to be. Well, this lady did have a good review. Pray that it's done well because I'm gonna cry if it's not. And it's weave, it's a curly weave, it's weave, and it's from A-Shine Hair. Also in a different bundles. This is the 16-inch. I got 22, 20, 18 and 16-inch. Hopefully the hairdressers see my vision. Originally I got my extension from AliExpress, but when I tell you, looking for hair in AliExpress is like a full-time job. Like the amount of fake comments I had to go through. So at first it was just me looking for extension, and then my sister was like, just find anything, just they're all the same. So then she joined me in looking for hair, and we're like, bruh, this is confusing because all the photos are fake on AliExpress. Like when I click a store, I'm seeing the same photo I saw in the previous store in that same store. So I'm just like, okay, which is real? So me and my sister found something. We think it was legit and stuff. We bought it and it arrived. I'm just like, what the fuck? And it's like, I'm sorry, but I'm not going to braid my hair. It was scanty, it was dry, it was just not exactly how they advertised it on AliExpress. So me and my sister just said, you know what? We know we don't want to do it, but we're just gonna spend. So I spent £198 on my extension. This is the first time I've spent a lot on extension, plus paying someone to do my hair for me. Like, guys, I'm scared. And obviously, as a foodie, I had to stop by to get some food. And it's Nigerian food. I've never really seen a Nigerian restaurant like have so much food, and that is. And I bought puff puff as well. By the way, this is Peckham. Peckham, right? This is Peckham, right? Yeah. We did make an appointment. However, I'm sure you can just come in. You can just pop in like that. When coming, it's best to blow dry your hair, but if you don't, I'm sure they can do it for you. There's one thing I really like about this lady. Her name is Favor. Is that I was the one giving her the extension. However, I mistakenly gave her the wrong size, so she had to take down the things she's done and redo it again, which was really nice, and I didn't have to pay for it, so it was really kind of her to do that. Okay, so this is my outfit. My outfit is like a bodysuit. I'm supposed to wear like red for Christmas, but I don't have any red outfits, so I have a shimmery outfit though. That's my dance teacher. My last class 2024. So do whatever stretch you gotta do. in my bed. I got things to do. I'll be shooting some content today. Photo shoot today. And also for me, for New Year's, my sister for Christmas. So I'll be taking her pictures. She'll be taking my pictures. I haven't done my mood board yet. We want it to be an evening shoot. I'm going for like more of the Vogue kind of look. Oh, by the way, my bed base sheet is coming today. If you watch my previous vlog, on the moving diaries, you can tell I got a new bed. However, I'm missing the base sheets for the ottoman bed because it's a storage bed. It needs to have base sheets and it's missing that. They gave me refund, £50 refund. However, I'm sorry, you give me £50 refund, but I can't find this base sheet anywhere. So they're going to send me one. But anyway, it's coming today. Hopefully it's the right thing because I am tired of going back and forth with them. Yeah, need to get shit done and I haven't done the shit. Sent this. I don't know what this is. This looks like a hole of a bed. I'm just like, why have you sent me this? What I need is the shit. I'm going to open this and see what they have there because why would you send me the base of the bed? I said I need the base sheet. It's not hard to understand. This thing, this is what I need. This is only thing I need. Why have they gone and sent me the bed frame? This. What am I gonna do with this? Huh? I see why they sent me this thing. They only just sent me the board, which included the sheets in it. Maybe because they don't have this sheet individually, they have to just send me the board. They could have just specified that. Anyways, I don't need the board and the wood stacks they gave me. They sent me this as well. So I don't need that. I'm just going to just put it downstairs, you know, in the bin because I got no time for it. But anyways, I said to myself, I'm going to do my bed, but you know, I think I just don't have the time to do the bed today. I just remembered I need to buy concealer, so I'm going to find a concealer. I'm literally here to buy towels. That's one of the things I want to buy as well. I got so soft. I've never had such a soft towel. It's so soft. And I can't make up my mind because there's just lots of colors. I like this color. This is luxury Egyptian cotton. Ask the staff if they have the bath one. I quite like the pink. This is what it feels to be an adult. You get excited for stuff like this. Purple is my favorite color. This is the perfect color of purple I like. But I don't have the bigger size. I am back. Something that needed to just take 40 minutes. It took me an hour and 30 minutes just to find a towel and a concealer. The girl is indecisive. So this is my mood board. I want to do a grey eyeshadow or a shimmery eyeshadow, a sequin outfit or something sparkly, and I want to take the pictures on the balcony where it's dark and I want the background of the light to show through the photos. This is my outfit. Anyways, let's do this. I'm going to get ready because my sister is getting ready already. I'm out from shower. My hair got wet. Yes, I'm standing on my bed. You know, see, I'm going to try to reduce the frizz in this hair and to volumize the curls, yeah? So rather than putting the product directly on my hair, I want to try to put all the product in a spray bottle so that I can mix them and spray it on my hair. I saw this hack on TikTok where this girl was putting a mousse in a spray bottle rather than put it directly on her hair, so I wanted to try it. So now I'm going to spray the product / water mix on my hair. I don't want it wet, but I want it wet, not too wet. And I'm going to comb through and detangle and then use a blow dryer with a diffuser to dry it. Hopefully this can volumize the hair. And this is how you do the fringe. So I will wet it like so. I noticed that other people that did their fringe, when I see their curling fringe, it looks flat. I don't want my curls to be flat, so what I did is to give it that curl that it needs. I used this vaccine roller, still can't pronounce it. Put it there. And guys, when I tell you this gives me amazing curls, it really does. Let it dry. When I'm going to work, I literally just walk like this to the tube station, let it dry, and once I'm ready, I take it off. People do stare at me, couldn't give a shit. I'm going to do my base makeup. Come back to you when I'm going to do my eyeshadow, because I'll be doing a grey shadow. I want to show you guys how I will do that. Time to do my grey eyeshadow. I've done my base. I did a very thin brow. I love a thin brow, by the way. Hey guys, what type of podcast do you listen to? I listen to the Receipt podcast. That podcast is so interesting, so I'm currently listening to it at the moment. I'll start with white first. Grey. Yeah, can you see? I have this shimmer thing I got from Temi. Don't you just love when you experiment with makeup and it just comes out good the way you want it to come out?
I'm a 24-year-old who has been in an on and off relationship since 2021. Recently, my ex and I reconnected after 7 months of no contact. Things were going really well until just before I left for a girls' holiday, he decided to go through my phone and saw some messages and DMs on Instagram. These messages were from 2 weeks after we had started talking again, and I hadn't even met the guy. You could clearly see from the exchange that I wasn't entertaining it. He was mostly talking to himself. Despite this, my ex got angry, threw my phone out the balcony, and said a lot of nasty things before breaking up with me. I went on holiday and had an amazing time. Fuck.
What?
When I came back, I had a dream that I was pregnant.
No.
So I took a test and it turns out I am. I messaged him saying we needed to talk, and when I told him, his initial reaction was supportive. He said we'd figure it out and keep the baby. World. After that conversation, he ghosted me for 3 days. When I asked where the support was, he responded with hurtful things saying he didn't trust me and that I'm full of the streets.
Damn.
And that I should respect his wishes and get rid of the baby and message him again.
I messed up my eyeliner again. I feel like I need to take a crash course on how to apply eyeliner because I always seem to make a mistake. And I have this Rouge Dior sample. The lipstick is really nice, actually. You know what? Hell yeah. Period.
It's not my normal colour if you're watching this.
Let's unpack. Okay, my hair. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me put my bodysuit on because that's all I'm gonna wear. I'm going to apply this on my body. Can you see the glow? I plan on keeping my jewelry simple. I have this and I have this ring. So these are the earrings I want to go for. I'm not sure if I should put it on or is it too much? So earrings, no earrings. Earrings, no earrings. Can you tell the difference? Which is better? Earrings, no earrings. I'm not really sure. Look, come on, troll for me.
Is the light good though?
It is good.
I'm sure. You keep saying it's good, but I'm not sure. Let me see.
Just look at makeup, guys.
Let me see, bitch.
Ooh, close up and just there. You like it?
I don't like the pose.
Oh, go ahead.
I mean, it's nice, but it could be nice.
Okay. Picture. Let's see. Yeah. Hell yeah. Still the oldest, still the baddest, still the oldest, still the baddest. Right now we're waiting for the lift to take some lift photos.
nice.
Let's make pancakes midnight. Drink one.
Don't bring my camera, please.
She's always scared when I touch her things. I don't know why.
What do you mean you don't know why? Be serious with yourself. You're breaking every shit out you touch.
I'm innocent, totally innocent.
Baby, we can start it over.
Time to eat. Be your sister.